Buckwheat? Oh my God. Did you just steal Sammy's toy? Uh-oh, that wasn't very nice. Did you just take that from Sammy? That was Sammy's. Sammy was laying with that. Buckwheat. I think you should give it back to Sam. Or not.